Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to make a buttercup paper flower using cardstock. What I have here is the cutouts of the petals and the centerpieces and sort of a reference base. This template is available for free in my resource library, and I cut this using my Cricut machine, but you can easily, well, actually this one I wouldn't recommend cutting by hand because the centerpieces are a little bit more intricate. So I would highly recommend using a cutting machine to cut this paper flower. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to curl the petals, and so I'm going to use a little scraping device, and I'm just going to do sort of the base of each petal. I don't want to necessarily do the tip that much yet. And then for the tip, I like to use a pin so I can control it a little bit more. And so I just sort of take the edges and roll it along inwards like this. You can also use a scraper, but do it like this. Okay. So we also want to do the outer edge, the centerpieces. So the centerpieces are a little bit fragile, so you want to hold the base of the petal so that you're not going to rip the petals off, which I've done plenty of times. And if you do, it's not that big of a deal. There's so many little pieces you really can't really tell. So I just give that a little curl. Give this a little curl. And then this last piece. Okay, so I like to use tacky glue for this. I like to use tacky glue for this normally because it's non-toxic and dries relatively fast. But we're gonna actually use the hot glue gun today for the tutorial because it just goes even faster. And I don't want you guys to have to sit here and wait literally for glue to dry. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to glue this along the reference base. So that way you can keep it as symmetrical as possible. The other nice thing about hot glue is if you mess up, you just kind of heat it up again, and you can redo. Actually, okay. So for example, messed that up just a little bit, so I just sort of put the nozzle back in there. Slide the nozzle back in there and heat up the glue and sort of pull it apart. Okay, here you go. Very good. And then you start tearing the centerpieces. Make sure you offset the petals. That's it. Super easy.